Welcome back to my channel. Now I will show you and teach you how to make this draggable undecorated JFrame. If we press and drag in this dark gray colored panel, we can move the frame anywhere in our screen. This is an undecorated JFrame, so I will show you and teach you how to do that. Before that, if you're not yet a subscriber, subscribe now to be updated on the new videos that I will upload. So let's start the tutorial. And we will close this project and we will make a new project. Its name is Draggable Frame. Make a application window and name it as Draggable Frame again. Let's design it. First we will make it an undecorated frame that set undecorated false. Refresh. Oops. True. Now we have an undecorated JFrame. Change its color to gray so it more visible in the screen. Then we will add an obsolete layout. Then another J panel. If we press and drag in this panel, we can move the entire JFrame. Add an obsolete layout. Add a label. This will be our exit button. Make it center, then bold, and change its size, font size to 20. And we will make a J label here. Add a J label inside the content pane. Is the tutorials. Center it. Increase the font size to a larger font size, like that. Now we have a designed undecorated JFrame. If we press and drag in this panel, we cannot move it. We can drag, so it don't have any function yet. Just close it for now. Go to source, frame that set location relative to null to make it center in the screen, centered. Then we will add an event. Mouse click on the label. Overs, we must change it variable name LBL exit. Add an event handler. Mouse click system dot exit 0. Let's try it. Now we have an decorated JFrame that we can move. We cannot move yet. Wait, oops. we click on the X, it exited. Now we will make the event here. Add event handler, mouse press, then add another event handler, mouse motion, then mouse drag. Then made a variable here, int x or mouse x, then mouse y. Then go to the mouse panel dot add motion mouse listener, mouse press, then mouse x equal to e dot get x, then mouse y is equal to e dot get y. Then go to the mouse drag and set the location of the frame. Frame dot set location, then get frame dot get x plus e dot get x minus mouse x. Then the y variable, frame dot get y plus e dot get y minus mouse y. I will explain this method. In the mouse press event, if we press the mouse, it will set the location of the pointer. It will get the x coordinates and the y coordinates. Then if we drag the mouse, it will change the location of the frame. It will get the newest coordinates of our mouse pointer, then minus it to the save variable of the x coordinate of mouse. Then it will add to the current location of frame. Then that's it for y. It will get the newest coordinate, y coordinate of the pointer, then minus it to the mouse y variable, then add it to the y location of our frame. Then it will set the newest location of our frame. So if we run this, now we have a movable undecorated JFrame. We can move it anywhere on the screen. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you learned something from my video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just comment in the comment section. Then don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.